For the first time ever, we are witnessing the Tesla Model 3 Ludicrous without a camouflage, so the questions Tesla fans are immediately wondering is, what's actually different and when will it be available? Stick around to the end to find out. Tesla initially introduced the new Model 3 codenamed Project Highland in October of last year. However, Tesla surprised enthusiasts by only releasing the rear-wheel drive variant and the long-range variant, leaving the top-tier performance suspiciously absent from the online website. With no official comments from Tesla, fans speculated on its potential return or possible cancellation. One Twitter X user going by Above the Best said, "Why won't Tesla or Elon Musk give us any hints on the upcoming performance? Come on, give us something." And then after hearing this news and the leaked footage, he went on to say, what a coincidence, a breadcrumb. Fortunately, leaks, some from Tesla themselves through a parts catalog, emerged, indicating not only a return but also special upgrades compared to its predecessor. The catalog showed the Model 3 with the same badging found on the Model S and the Model X. The badge is labeled as Item 7, but there was no corresponding Item 7 in the description. And that's the reason people speculated the Model 3 being a Plaid in the first place. However, we now have color to theorize that it actually is Ludicrous, and I'll get to that in a second. Among that, there was also a 19-inch and a 20-inch variant of what Tesla denotes in the collision parts catalog as the Warp Wheel, which is also available in a black finish as listed in the parts catalog. Additionally, two more wheel designs, each featuring both black and silver finishes, are included. But something happened, and it's a big but. Tesla then went on to remove it from the parts catalog, and fans concluded it was an oopsie. But just last week, I shared photos of a camouflaged Model 3 Ludicrous that confirmed that it does in fact come with bucket seats, and it does have a change to its front lip, but it was hard to tell anything else because it was just so camouflaged. However, for the first time, Model 3 Ludicrous has been stripped from its camouflage, and it was spotted in Valencia, Spain. So what was exactly spotted? Two Model 3 performance cars, well, two Model 3 Ludicrous cars I should say, one in ultra red and one in black, were spotted by the user Desmond Wisely on Twitter X. The Teslas were surrounded by Tesla employees, suggesting an imminent official launch coming real soon, likely in the next coming days, some kind of announcement. This event is taking place in Spain, most likely for an ad that Tesla is shooting. As you can see, Tesla employees were trying their best to keep it under wraps, even asking Desmond to stop filming so they can prevent people from leaking this footage. From the video footage, several exterior changes are evident, including the Ludicrous badge on the trunk. Now you may be asking, why is it not a Plaid badge? Why am I concluding it to be a Ludicrous badge? Let me show you a side-by-side comparison of the Ludicrous color scheme being blue, black, and white, but the Plaid is more red, orange, and black and white. Other exterior updates include a new trunk spoiler, rear splitter, front splitter, and warp wheels, which I previously mentioned was leaked in the parts catalog, but now featuring aero inserts. The only interior change that we observed recently has been the sports bucket seats that I mentioned, and it was in white, and it was in the photo that I referenced in the previous week. But the question is, when is it actually coming out? Fans are concluding, and there's a lot of buzz around this, and they're saying that this recent sightings suggest that the new Model 3 performance is set to launch soon. A recent report from China projected production initiation for the Model 3 Ludicrous at Giga Shanghai and Fremont by the end of March, with a launch anticipated in the second quarter. However, based on this current sighting, we can possibly conclude that Tesla may be actually ahead of schedule. So let me know in the comments if you're actually looking to buy the Model 3 Ludicrous or you're just happy with your current Model 3 performance. Subscribe for more.